case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Court of Appeals of New Mexico presided over an intriguing case, Breen versus Carlsbad Municipal Schools, in 2003. The dispute centered on two workers, Breen and Carrasco, who claimed they were shortchanged on compensation for their temporary total disabilities. They contended this was a violation of their equal protection rights under the U.S. and New Mexico constitutions, as well as the Americans with Disabilities Act, ADA. The origin of the dispute lay in their on-the-job injuries, which led to their awarded temporary total disability benefits. Breen and Carrasco moved for supplementary compensation orders, arguing they were entitled to more than the initial 100 weeks of benefits. The workers' compensation judge, however, determined that the workers suffered from a primary mental impairment and were thus restricted to the 100 weeks of compensation per the Workers' Compensation Act, WCA. Unhappy with the decision, Breen and Carrasco appealed, arguing that the WCA's restrictions on benefits for workers with mental impairments infringe upon the equal protection clauses of both constitutions and the ADA. However, their appeal did not result in the desired outcome. The court upheld the original ruling, finding no constitutional or statutory violation in awarding them 100 weeks of benefits under the WCA. Their argument against the different treatments between workers with temporary total disability due to physical and mental impairments was deemed invalid by the court. It also rejected the claim that the ADA requires equal benefits eligibility in workers' compensation laws. Furthermore, the court ruled that while WCA Secs 52-141, B and -42, A3, do distinguish between workers with physical and mental impairments, this differentiation is justified by a legitimate government purpose. This includes reducing fraudulent claims, limiting recovery for hard-to-ascertain injuries, and safeguarding the financial feasibility of workers' compensation. Thus, the court affirmed the workers' compensation judge's orders, ruling that Breen and Carrasco were not deprived of benefits due to their disability. In fact, they received the same assistance as any other covered worker, demonstrating that the Workers' Compensation Act does not violate the ADA, providing equal access to benefits for all workers, regardless of their disability's nature.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.